Okay, let's plot these points out first. I plotted the W here. Z will be, X will be minus 3, 1 right here. Z is negative 2 and negative 7. Negative 2 and negative 7. About there. 4 and 2. So let's say 4 is about there and 2. Okay. I mean, this is obviously not an accurate picture of the quadrilateral, but just a rough one. Okay, so two lines are drawn to join the midpoints of the non-adjacent sides of the quadrilateral. Determine the coordinates of the points of intersection. So we're basically talking about, change color here, like that and that. Okay, so let's call this A, B, C, D. So A is a midpoint between X and Y. So X and W, so it's going to be negative 10 over 2, negative 3 over 2. Okay. B is going to be the midpoint between, let's see here, negative W and Z, right? So negative 5 over 2. And negative 6 over 2. So that's negative 2.5 and negative 3. And C is a midpoint between Z and Y, right? So 2 over 2. If you add that, you get negative 5 over 2. So that's 1 and negative 2.5. Okay, and D is between X and Y. So that's 1 over 2, right? 4 add negative 3 is 1, and 3 over 2. Okay, so now we have everything. Now we need to get the equation of the line between A and C, right? So slope of A and C is negative 2.5 plus 1.5, 1 plus 5. 1 over 6. Okay, and the slope between B and D is 3 over 2 plus 3, half plus 2.5, right? So that's 1.5, 4.5 divided by, this is 3. Okay, so multiply top and bottom by 2. Right, you get this, 3 over 2. So with this, the equation of the line is y is equal to 1 over 6 x plus b, and then y equals mx plus b form. To get b, we just have to plug in, let's say, a. Right, so b is negative 1.5. And you have to add 5 over 6 to it. So that's 9, that's minus 4 over 6, minus 2 over 3. All right, hopefully I didn't make any mistake there. Here it's y is equal to 3 over 2x plus b. So b or d, we can plug it in. Let's plug in D. So 3 over 2 is minus 3 over 4 when you bring this over to the other side, and you get 3 over 4. So it's y is equal to 3 over 2x plus 3 over 4. So here are the two equations. And to get point of intersection, right, we just have to make those two equations equal to each other. So that is equal to this. Okay, collect the x terms together. You get 3 over 2 minus 1 over 6 of x, minus 2 over 3 minus 3 over 4. So times by 3, you get 9 minus 1 is 8 over 6x. Common base here is 12 minus 8 minus 9. Reduce 4 over 3x. Multiply both sides by 3. And this will reduce to give you 4. So x is minus 17 over 16. To get the y coordinate, we have to plug it into either one of these two. Let's plug it in here. Okay, it doesn't matter which one, just the one that looks easier to you. Neither looks that easy. Okay, unless of course you're allowed to use a calculator in your class. So this is minus 34 over 32 plus 3 over 4. Okay, so common base is 32. So times by 8. 24 minus 34. So that's minus 10 over 32. So that's minus 5 over 16. So that's the intersection point, assuming I didn't make any calculation error here. Okay, so